Good morning, children. This is your English teacher here. We are going to do textual bits today. In our previous class, we have seen common nouns, proper nouns, and collective nouns. Now, today in this session, we are going to learn about abstract nouns. So, what is abstract noun? Abstract nouns are the words about things that we cannot touch, see, taste, or hear. So here is a bit which we need to do. See, underline UNDER under LINE line. Underline the abstract nouns ABSTRACT abstract NOUNS nouns. In these sentences, THESC, these SENTENCES sentences. Underline the abstract nouns in these sentences. The first one is childhood, CHILD, child, HOD, hood. Childhood is the best part of life. What is abstract noun here? Childhood. This is already done for us. Childhood is the best part of life. Now coming to second one. ALANKRITA Alankrita answered. ANSWERED answered. THE the questions QUESTION question with confidence. CONFIDENCE confidence. So in this sentence, confidence is abstract noun. Third one, Ranjan, RANJAN is the name of a boy. THANKED, thanked. Ranjan thanked. THEM, them, for their, 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 kindness, KIND, kind, NESS, kindness. Ranjan thanked them for their kindness. Kindness is abstract noun. Fourth one. NELIA, Nelia was awarded. AWARDED, awarded. FOR for HER, her. BRAVERY, bravery. Nelia was awarded for her bravery. Bravery is an abstract noun. Fifth one. FOOT, foot. BALL, ball. Football is a game that requires 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 a lot of strength. STRENGTH strength. Strength means energy. So in this sentence, football is a game that requires a lot of strength. Strength is an abstract noun. The last one, sixth one. Darpan, D-A-R-P-I-N, Darpan got a medal, M-E-D-A-L, medal, F-O-R for, H-I-S, his, G-O-O-D, good, B-E-H-A-V-I-O-U-R, behavior. Darpan got a medal for his good behavior. Here behavior is an abstract noun. A bit here, using, U-S-I-N-G, using the prefix P-R-E-F-I-X, prefix, D-I-S, dis, F-O-R-M form the opposites, O-P-P-O-S-I-T-E-S, opposites of these words. You have to form prefix for these words by adding dis, the word which you are adding before to a root word. What is root word? For example, here the first one is A-G-R-E-E, agree. This is called root word. The word which you are adding before to the root word is known as prefix. The first one is agree. What you have to add prefix to all these words? That is D-I-S, dis. A-G-R-E-E, agree. We are adding prefix dis, D-I-S, dis. It becomes disagree, D-I-S-A-G-R-E-E, disagree. The second one, if you add dis prefix to it, it becomes disobey, D-I-S-O-B-E-Y, obey, disobey. Now, coming to third one, L-I-K-E, like. If you add dis, D-I-S, dis to this, it becomes dislike, D-I-S-L-I-K-E, like, dislike. Fourth one, A-P-P-E-R, appear. If you add prefix D-I-S to this, this become D-I-S-A-P-P-E-R, disappear. Allow, A-L-L-O-W, allow. Opposite becomes disallow, D-I-S-A-L-L-O-W, disallow. Now, we have learned the opposite of these words. With the help of these opposite words, you have to fill these blanks. Bit B. Complete the sentences with the correct forms of the words from exercise A. What was the exercise A? This is exercise A, which we have done. Now you have to fill up these sentences. T-H-E, the G-O-A-L, goal. The goal was dash because the goalkeeper, G-O-A-L, goal, K-E-P-E-R, keeper. The goalkeeper was not ready for the penalty. Among these options, what could be the answer? Disagree, disobey, dislike, or disappear. The answer is disallowed, D-I-S-A-L-L-O-W-E-D, disallowed. Now, second one. Even E-V-E-N, even. B-E-S-T, best. F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Even best friends. Dash, sometimes. S-O-M-E, some. T-I-M-E-S, times, sometimes. Even best friends disagree sometimes. You may not have the same opinion on the topic. So it is disagree. D-I-S-A-G-R-E-E, disagree. Third one, the kite dash B-E-H-I-N-D behind a cloud. C-L-O-U-D, cloud. The kite disappear behind a cloud. We should never dash our parents. We should never disobey our parents. We should listen whatever they are saying us. D-I-S-O-B-E-Y, obey, disobey. It is such a beautiful song. I don't think anyone can dislike. D-I-S-L-I-K-E, like, dislike. Hope that everyone understood today's class. Thank you.